पश्चिम बंगाल के नए राज्यपाल आर.एन. रवि बुधवार को कोलकाता पहुंचे। वे गुरुवार यानी आज राज्यपाल पद की शपथ लेंगे। शपथ ग्रहण समारोह लोक भवन में आयोजित किया जाएगा, जिसकी सभी तैयारियां राज्य सरकार की ओर से पूरी कर ली गई हैं। जानकारी के मुताबिक शपथ ग्रहण समारोह गुरुवार सुबह 11:30 बजे होगा। इस दौरान कलकत्ता हाईकोर्ट के मुख्य न्यायाधीश सुजय पाल उन्हें पद और गोपनीयता की शपथ दिलाएंगे। बुधवार को कोलकाता एयरपोर्ट पहुंचने पर नए राज्यपाल आर.एन. रवि का स्वागत राज्य के मुख्य सचिव नंदिनी चक्रवर्ती और मंत्री सुजीत बोस ने किया। बताया जा रहा है कि उनके साथ उनका परिवार भी कोलकाता पहुंचा है। आर.एन. रवि का जन्म बिहार के राजधानी पटना में हुआ था। उन्होंने अपनी करियर की शुरुआत कुछ समय के लिए पत्रकारिता से की, लेकिन बाद में 1976 में भारतीय पुलिस सेवा यानी आईपीएस में शामिल हो गए। वे केरल कैडर के आईपीएस अधिकारी रहे और अपने कार्यकाल के दौरान सीबीआई और आईबी में भी महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मेदारियां निभा चुके हैं। इस बीच पश्चिम बंगाल के पूर्व राज्यपाल सीवी आनंद बोस ने भी आर.एन. रवि की सराहना की। उन्होंने कहा कि रवि एक बेहद सक्षम और अनुभवी अधिकारी हैं, जो प्रशासन में गहरी समझ रखते हैं। बोस ने कहा, मेरे उत्तराधिकारी मेरे पुराने मित्र हैं। हम केरल में साथ काम कर चुके हैं। वो आईपीएस में थे और मैं आईएएस में। वे बेहद सक्षम अधिकारी हैं और प्रशासन में पूरी तरह निपुण हैं। पूर्व राज्यपाल ने यह भी कहा कि उन्हें भरोसा है कि आर.एन. रवि अपने अनुभव के आधार पर स्वतंत्र रूप से फैसला लेने में सक्षम हैं। हालांकि उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि पश्चिम बंगाल जैसे संवेदनशील राज्य में संतुलित और समझदारी भरा रवैया अपनाना सबसे बेहतर तरीका होगा।
With the people of Bengal, with this great land, its great culture, it was a great feeling for me, felt in the blood and felt along the heart. I take with me sweetness and light that was given to me by the people of Bengal throughout my career here.
Sir, second question is that one time the Chief Minister had said that if you were present, she would not go to the Raj Bhavan alone. But since then, she even didn't have any water or cup of tea. But yesterday, she went to you and she told us and reporters that you are her guest and you are a nice person. What will you say today in Exandel that she is like your sister? There is a bond between you and Chief Minister.
I humbly thank the Chief Minister for the kindness and consideration shown to me, which reflects the great culture of Bengal.
Sir, one thing, do you think that the politics Mamata Banerjee is doing in West Bengal for her party or for the people of West Bengal, is she in the right path or what? How do you take that?
An outgoing governor has no right to comment on that.
Sir, another question. You were supposed to go to Baghdogra, but you instead of that you went to Delhi and you had resigned. What was that?
Sir, Karan, what was the reason?
What was the reason behind your resignation?
Once I resign as governor, courtesy demands that I go to Delhi and hand over the resignation to the Honorable President of India. That is why I went to Delhi.
But you were supposed to go to Baghdogra, but instead of that
for your resignation, right? Was it that you was not able to take center's politics over the state, or was it? There was some misconceptions about the way you were handling the state. What was the reason for your resignation?
As one who has spent 75 years of life, I knew this is time for me to stop. So I stopped.
So what is the reason for stopping? What do you saw that you
there
felt
was
that
any
I must
force
stop?
behind your resignation?
There might be a reason for you stopping, right? What was the reason?
Once you enter somewhere, you should always realize that you are also expected to exit. I decided that this is the time for me to exit honorably.
So would you want again, the reason is
Some message
would you want to give some message to the upcoming
the new governor who is coming today evening?
The new governor is a personal friend of mine, very competent officer he was in the IPS. I consider him as my illustrious successor. I wish him the very best.
प्रभातखबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं।